Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI Smart Lock. In this video I'll show you how to manage auto, unlock and lock function. In the beginning, let's go to NUKI app and go to settings. Enter features and configuration. Here you can manage auto lock. Switch this button to enable this function and select timer. Go back and here you can manage auto unlock. Here you can enable lock after auto unlock, consider device nearby, increase location accuracy, you can check status and check auto unlock report. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.